Amy Sindicic here. Welcome to Idiom of the Day. Today's idiom is to clinch, cut, reach, or seal a deal. More or less the same thing. To clinch, cut, reach, or seal a deal is to succeed in finalizing an arrangement. Let me give you some examples. Our supplier cut us a deal that we couldn't refuse. We were able to clinch the deal without ceding too much control. The merchant threw in some extras to seal the deal. Today's idiom is to cut, clinch, reach, or seal a deal, which means to succeed in finalizing an arrangement. Today's idiom was taken from 505 Business Idioms and Phrasal Verbs by Clare Whitmell. The link to Amazon is provided. Please visit me at businessenglish123.com. Thank you.